Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the LastPass Authenticator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. LastPass Authenticator is a mobile app designed to enhance your online security by providing two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your accounts. It generates time-based one-time passwords, TOPS, supports push notifications for quick logins, and integrates with biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition. The app also allows multiple account management, cloud backup, and easy account recovery, making it convenient for users who want robust security without losing accessibility. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its clean and simple interface, quick authentication process, and reliable push notifications. Many also like the ability to manage multiple accounts in one place and securely back up authentication data to the cloud. This ensures that if you switch devices, you won't lose access to your secured accounts. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing issues or delays with notifications, and certain non-LastPass accounts may not integrate as smoothly. Additionally, full functionality depends on keeping the app updated and occasionally dealing with account recovery steps, which may feel cumbersome for less tech-savvy users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the LastPass Authenticator app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly 2FA solution to secure your online accounts. It shines in convenience, multi-account management, and backup options. However, if you need a fully seamless experience for every type of account or want to avoid potential sync issues, you may want to explore alternative options as well. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.